are going to start with chapter 2, polynomial, class 9th. Now the very first question is, what is polynomial? Let us break this word poly plus nomials. The poly meaning is, poly means many. And what is nomials? Nomials means terms. So that means any expression containing many terms is known as polynomials. For example, we have a polynomial. Polynomial is represented by p of x. This is the polynomial and this is x. That means any polynomial, it can be using variables as x. Now it can be written as a0, a1 x to the power 1, a2 x to the power 2, a3 x to the power 3, plus so on, plus an x to the power n. This is the general expression for the polynomial, where a0, a1, a2 and an are the coefficients of x, and they must be a real number. ठीक है, they are real numbers. Now x is a variable. Now what is this? This is an exponents. ठीक है, the condition for the polynomial is that exponent must be whole number. Exponent कैसा होना चाहिए? Whole number. So polynomial, general expression for polynomial is this, and a0, a1 are the coefficients which come before the variable and they are real number. We will discuss it later. And x is a variable and exponent must be a whole number. These are the conditions for a polynomial. Let us discuss these conditions in detail. By taking some examples. Like if I take a polynomial 3x square plus 4x to the power this 3x square plus 4x plus 7, or you can like this 3x square plus 4 by 3x plus 7. Let us check whether this is a polynomial or not. So what are the conditions which makes the any expression a polynomial? For this I have told you that the coefficient of x must be a whole number. So coefficients के लिए we apply no restriction. For coefficients, no restriction is there. No restriction means it can be anything. It can be anything. Anything means real number. अब real numbers में कौन से आ जाते हैं? It can be positive, it can be negative, it can be decimal, it can be fraction, it can be in root form. So the coefficient, there is no restriction applied on the coefficient. For example, देखिए here I write the 4 by 3. It can, okay, coefficient कुछ भी हो सकता है. Coefficient positive भी हो सकता है, negative भी हो सकता है, decimal भी हो सकता है, fraction भी हो सकता है, root में भी हो सकता है. तो coefficient of variable can be anything. Now the second thing is variable. Variable, the name suggests variable means vary. The value which vary. So we cannot apply any restriction to this variable. So variable can be anything. Of course, it can be x, y, z, s, t as you want. किसी में भी expression, अगर मेरा ये x में है, मैं दूसरी expression लिख देती हूँ 3s square plus 2s plus 6. तो देखिए this is the polynomial in s. So it's a variable. Variable can be anything. Again, the very important thing is exponent. The condition imposed on this exponent. What is the exponent? Exponent पे हम condition apply करते हैं to make a polynomial. That the exponent must be a whole number. Exponent कैसा होना चाहिए? whole number. Whole number means a number which start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Students, ध्यान से सुनिए कि जो एक्सपोनेंट है दैट मीन्स आपको किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल को चेक करने के लिए कि वेदर इट इज अ पॉलिनोमियल और नॉट, मुझे क्या चेक करना है? कोफिशिएंट तो कुछ भी हो सकता है, कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है. Variable you can take any variable, but in case of exponent you have to be very clear that the power should be a whole number. It can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be anything which is whole. But क्या नहीं चलेगा यहाँ? नेगेटिव नहीं चलेगा, फ्रैक्शन नहीं चलेगा, डेसिमल नहीं चलेगा, सिर्फ क्या चलेगा? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 so on, whole numbers. So the condition applies for the polynomial that exponent must be a whole number. So let us take some examples which clear that about the polynomials. For example, I write an expression polynomial 1 by 2 x square x cube plus 3x to the power 1 by 2 plus 7. Do you think that this is a polynomial? No. Why? Because the exponent is fraction. Exponent is fraction. और अभी मैंने आपको क्या बताया था कि किसी भी एक्सप्रेशन को पॉलिनोमियल होने के लिए पावर कैसी होनी चाहिए? पावर शुड बी अ होल नंबर. और इफ आई राइट लाइक दिस रूट 4x क्यूब प्लस रूट 25 रूट 31x स्क्वायर plus 7. Is it a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial. Why? Because this is the coefficient. Coefficient, it can be written as 2 because root 4 is 2. This is 2x cube plus root 31 x square plus 7. So condition, it can be anything. ठीक है? This is coefficient. Coefficient can be anything. Whether it is in fraction, it is in root, it can be accepted. The value of coefficient can be accepted, but the power must be a whole number. So here the power is 3 and the power is 2. So it is a polynomial. So hope so that the part polynomial, how to define a polynomial is clear to you. Now moving towards the next part is degree of a polynomial. How to find out the degree of a polynomial? Now what is the degree? Degree is the highest power of variable. Degree क्या होती है? Highest power of variable. For example, I write a polynomial 3x to the power 7 plus 4x to the power 6 plus 5x to the power 3 plus 8. This is a polynomial. So what is the highest power? Here the highest power is 7. So it's the degree of this polynomial is 7. Now students, if I write a polynomial in this x2 y4 plus x1 y3 plus xy plus 7. What is the degree in that case? It is a polynomial in two variable. Here I am writing a polynomial in one variable and here I am writing the polynomial in two variable. Here the two variables are used. Now what is, when I have to find out the degree of a polynomial having two variables, I have to add the power. Now 2 plus 4 is 6, 1 plus 2 is 3 and here is 1, 1, 2. Now which one is the highest? Degree is 6. So you have to know how to find out the degree of a polynomial when there are more than one variable. So degree is 6. You have to add these two, add this two, add this two and check which one is the larger. And the larger power of any variable, that gives you the degree. Hope so this degree part is clear to you. Now the classification of polynomial. Classification of polynomial. Classification of polynomials. Polynomials can be classified on the two bases. Number one, on the basis of number of terms, and second, on the basis of degree. How do we classify the polynomial? We classify the polynomial on the basis of number of terms and second on the basis of degree. Now, if the polynomial having one term, if the polynomial is having one term, it is said to be monomial. अगर किसी पॉलिनोमियल में सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक टर्म है तो उसका क्या नाम होगा? मोनोमियल. What is mono? Mono means one. Mono means one. So it is called as monomial. Mial means, nomial means term. So any expression containing one term is monomial. Now second, binomial. What is binomial? Binomial, bi means two. Bi means two. So it is expression containing two terms. Example बता देती हूँ यहाँ पे साथ में मैं. For example, I write x to the power 3. So this is the monomial. I write here 2x plus 3. It is having two terms, 2x and 3. This is the binomial. But student ध्यान से देखिए, कुछ student confused हो जाते हैं. वो कहते हैं कि मैडम ये भी तो binomial है, इसमें भी दो term है. No, it can be added. This becomes 9x and it becomes a single term. So this is not a binomial. Binomial means two terms which are unlike terms. Unlike terms, they must not be added or subtracted. ठीक है, or multiply. So here the two terms are like terms. They can be added to a single. So this is not a binomial. The concept should be clear in your mind that what is binomial. ठीक है students. So this is the example of binomial. Third is trinomial. Now what is trinomial? Trinomial, tri meaning three. So आपको पता चल गया होगा, any expression containing three terms like 3x square plus 5x plus 2. It has three terms. So this is called as trinomial. And fourth, if it is proceed like this, any expression containing more than three terms is known as polynomials. Students, look here. We are naming this polynomials. For example, you have learnt in 8th class about the polygons. Polygons के बारे में आपने पढ़ा होगा. What are polygons? Poly means many and guns means side. Any geometrical figures having many sides is known as polygons. Or polygon is a figure which is made up of simple closed line segment. Simple line segment. It is a closed curve which is made by line segment. So polygons, first polygon is triangle. ठीक है, it is made by three lines. Here name is triangle. Similarly, 4 is quadrilateral, 5 is pentagon, 6 is hexagon, 7 is heptagon, and 8 is octagon, and so like. So we are naming it as. Similarly, in case of polynomials, we are naming like this: monomial, binomial, trinomial, and polynomials. So this is only for the naming. We are naming the polynomials. Now on the basis of degree. First is when the degree is 1. When the degree is 1, it is known as linear polynomial. When the degree is 1, it is known as linear polynomial. Second, when the degree is 2. When the degree is 2, that is called quadratic polynomial. Now, when the degree is 3, that is called cubic polynomial. Now, the degree 1 linear, degree 2 quadratic, degree 3 cubic, and degree 4 that is biquadratic. It's biquadratic and so on. We only need this 3 much. So the degree 1 एग्जाम्पल में साथ साथ लिख देती हूँ. देखिए जैसे मैंने आप यहाँ पे लिख दिया, इसकी डिग्री कितनी है? 1 है. दिस इज अ लीनियर पॉलिनोमियल और यू कैन राइट 3x plus 2. Here the degree is 1, linear polynomial. Degree 2, 3x square plus 5. This is degree 2, highest degree is 2. This is a quadratic polynomial. Now degree 3, 3x cube plus 2x plus square plus 5x plus 7. This is cubic polynomial. So these are the classification of polynomials on the basis of number of terms and on the basis of degree. Now students, what happens when the degree is 0? Try to understand, it is very important. I have talked about when the degree is 1, that is called as linear polynomial. But what happens when the degree becomes 0? क्या होगा जब मेरी डिग्री क्या हो जाएगी 0? अभी मैंने डिग्री 1 की बात की लीनियर, तो हम डिग्री 0 वाले को क्या बोलेंगे? When the degree is 0, for example, I write like this, x raised to power 0. Now this 3x to the power 0, इसकी डिग्री क्या है? 0. I know that anything raised to power 0 is equals to 1. So now this expression becomes 3 into 1, that is 3. Now this is a number. And any number is a constant. So this becomes a constant. So an expression or a number having degree 0 is known as constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. Very important thing. Any polynomial having degree 0 is known as a constant polynomial, and all the numbers are the constant. Listen again, all the numbers are constant. All the numbers are constant polynomial. So, whenever someone asks you what are constant polynomial, you can say any number is a constant polynomial. For example, 99. When we talk about the polynomial, then it is a constant polynomial. What is the degree of this constant polynomial? I can write it like this, because by writing x to the power 0 there is no harm, because it becomes 99 only. ठीक है? Anything raised to power 0 is 1, so it's 99. So degree क्या हो जाएगी इसकी? 0. Degree is 0. तो what is the degree of constant polynomial is 0. तो अभी आप लोगों ने स्टूडेंट्स देखा कि a polynomial having degree 0 is known as constant polynomial. Polynomial having degree 0 is called constant polynomial. This is a very important point. कोई भी पॉलिनोमियल जिसकी डिग्री क्या हो? 0 हो, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? कांस्टेंट पॉलिनोमियल. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन द कोफिशिएंट बिकम्स 0? व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन द कोफिशिएंट बिकम्स 0? फॉर एग्जांपल, अभी मैंने आपको बोला 0 टू द पावर x. सो व्हाट इज द आंसर? अगेन 0, because 0 is multiplied by any number is 0. Now here the coefficient is 0. Now 0 into x to the power 2. What is the answer? Again 0. 0 into x to the power 3. What is the answer? Again 0. So by proceeding in this way, if I write 0 into x to the power n, again I will get the answer 0. Now student, whenever the coefficient is 0, it gives you 0, and this 0 is called 0 polynomial. Again a very important term in polynomials, that 0 polynomial. What is 0 polynomial? 0 is the 0 polynomial. I can say that 0 is the 0 polynomial. Now the question arises, what is the degree of 0 polynomial? What is the degree of 0 polynomial? So student, look here. Here the degree is 1. Here the degree is 1. Highest power is 1. Here the degree is 2. Here the degree is 3. Here the degree is n. No matters, it will make it 0. But the degree is 1, 2, 3, 4. In all the cases the answer is 0. That means I cannot define the degree of 0 polynomial, because in each and every case the degree varies. The degree varies, that means we cannot define the degree of We cannot define the degree of zero polynomial. So that's a very important thing. Very important thing. What is that? 0 is the zero polynomial, and the degree of zero polynomial, the degree of zero polynomial is not defined. The degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Very important concept. So what we learned, that classification of polynomial on the basis of number of terms, then degree. If the degree is linear, it becomes linear polynomial. Degree is 2 quadratic, degree 3 cubic. And what happens when the degree is 0? It is known as a constant polynomial. And in case the coefficient is 0, that is called the zero polynomial. 0 is called the zero polynomial. Now what is the degree of zero polynomial? The degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Why it is not defined? मैंने आपको बता दिया कि 0 into x to the power 1, 0 into x to the power 2, we cannot define the degree of a zero polynomial because it varies and ultimately it makes them the term 0. So the degree of zero polynomial is not defined. Now what is the zero of a polynomial? Now these are the important terms about the polynomials. Now moving towards the zero of a polynomial. Zero of a polynomial. There is a difference between zero of a polynomial and zero polynomial. ध्यान से देखिएगा, zero of a polynomial and zero polynomial. सुनने में एक जैसे लगते हैं. जीरो ऑफ अ पॉलिनोमियल एंड जीरो पॉलिनोमियल. जीरो पॉलिनोमियल मीन्स अभी आपको बताया था, जीरो पॉलिनोमियल इज जीरो, इट्स डिग्री इज नॉट डिफाइंड. कीप इट इन माइंड. जीरो पॉलिनोमियल क्या होगा? जीरो. इसकी डिग्री क्या है? नॉट डिफाइंड. नाउ व्हाट इज द जीरो ऑफ अ पॉलिनोमियल? जीरो ऑफ अ पॉलिनोमियल इज वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स. What is the zero of a polynomial? It is the value of x or a variable, or you can say variable. आपका जो भी polynomial जिस variable में है, it is the value of x which makes the whole polynomial become zero. Which makes the whole polynomial px is equal to zero. क्या right? What is the zero of a polynomial? Zero of a polynomial क्या है? x की वो value जो पॉलिनोमियल में पुट करते ही पूरी पॉलिनोमियल को क्या बना देती है? जीरो. दैट इज कॉल्ड द जीरो ऑफ अ पॉलिनोमियल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव एन एक्सप्रेशन 5x plus 6. Now if I check x is equal to minus 6 by 5, let us check whether this value makes the polynomial zero or not. अब क्या करेंगे? हम यहाँ पुट करेंगे minus 6 upon 5 plus 6. देखिए what happens, it's minus 6 plus 6, it becomes 0. Now x is equal to minus 6 is the value which makes the whole polynomial 0. ये जो वैल्यू थी x की, ये वो वैल्यू थी जिसने इस पॉलिनोमियल में जाते ही पूरी पॉलिनोमियल को क्या बना दिया? 0. So this is known as the zero of a polynomial. Hope so this concept is clear to you. What is the zero of a polynomial and what is the zero polynomial? Zero polynomial is zero, its degree is not defined, and we can say zero is the zero polynomial. ठीक है? Now what is the zero of a polynomial? Zero of a polynomial is the value of x which makes the polynomial zero. Example, मैंने एक polynomial लिया और एक x की वैल्यू ली, ठीक है? minus 6 by 5, इसमें सब्सटीट्यूट किया, it makes the whole polynomial zero. तो इसको हमने एक बता दिया कि ये जो x की वैल्यू है minus 6 by 5, ये क्या है? जीरो ऑफ अ polynomial. Hope so this concept is clear to you. Now moving, how to find the zero of a polynomial. of a polynomial. How to find out the zero of a polynomial? If we have a polynomial 2x plus 3. Now how to find out the zero of a polynomial? Whenever you have to find the zero of a polynomial, the method is you have to equate px is equals to 0. आपको क्या करना है? px को 0 के इक्वल करना है. Now this is px 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now what is this? Becomes minus 3x is equals to minus 3 by 2. So this is the zero of a polynomial. Another example, we will take another example. Example is 2t plus 7. This is the zero of a polynomial. Find the zero of a polynomial. Question comes like this. Now what I have to do? We have first step px is equal to 0. पहले स्टेप में क्या करना है हमें? पॉलिनोमियल को px नहीं pt को यहाँ पे बिकॉज मैंने t में लिया है तो pt को मुझे क्या इक्वेट करना है? 0. Now 2t plus 7 is equals to 0. That means 2t is equals to minus 7. So t is equals to minus 7 by 2. This is the zero of a polynomial. And remember, zero of a polynomial. This becomes the question क्या था? Find the zero of a polynomial. So this is the zero of a polynomial. That means this value, when we put this value in this polynomial, it will make the whole polynomial 0. When I put this value in this polynomial, it will make the whole polynomial 0. Hope so this introduction part of polynomial is clear to you. Thank you.